This one we can't see the anterior vena cava, but they're usually lumps right up in this area. And I can see some dark areas right in here where the anterior vena cava are, here and right over in here. Ventral abdominal vein sits right on top of all the viscera here, and it continues on as this vein. You can see where they connected. This one is formed by the union of the two pelvic veins. This is going to be the problem. Otherwise I may have to stop and dissect them for a while so that we can see everything. And now we see the paired pelvic veins there. When those two unite, they form the ventral abdominal vein. Blood coming into the kidney comes in by way of this renal portal vein here. This is the kidney. So it comes in by way of the renal portal vein, which is formed by two veins draining the hind limbs. That's the sciatic vein right down here. I'm not sure if you can quite see from your angle, but that's it there. And the femoral vein coming from this other direction, I'll rotate that around, which we see coming from the lateral side of the thigh. Sciatic vein comes from the deep part of the thigh. Femoral vein here, more superficial and more lateral. Now the other vein that brings blood into the kidney is a dorsal lumbar vein right here. Okay, now blood's gotten in the kidney. How does it leave the kidney? And it does so by entering into a posterior vena cava right here, which is formed by all these tributaries from the side coming together, which are urogenital veins. And they're draining from kidneys and from gonads, in this case a testis. The only other veins are hepatic portal veins, and those aren't very easy to see. This lump in here is about the closest we can get to for a hepatic portal vein. And it's formed by the union of a number of veins, including those that drain the stomach, this blue one, a gastric vein, and these blue ones here that are draining the small intestine, intestinal veins. Okay, and then that's all of the veins. And then now we need to find a good one for arteries, and that one will not do for arteries.